a brand new trainers. I just want to say happy birthday to my daughter Alicia Divine. So I am going to unbox it for you guys. So guys, I was saying that I got Alicia Divine a nice present for her birthday. She still has not got any idea about what's inside. So we are unboxing this little baby for her. We will be unboxing it slowly so that you guys can see where all athletes belong. Can you guess what it is? Can you guess what it is? Can you guess what's inside? Can you guess what's inside? Photos athletics. Can I read that? No. She's opening. Wow, she's opening. Oh my God. What's that number? 23. When you see the sign 23, what does it tell you guys? Meaning it's a... What is that? That's a... What sign is that, guys? That's a Jordan sign. Oh my God. Does she have a Jordan in this box? What has she got for her birthday? Alicia Divine, what did you get for your birthday? Did you want to show us? Slowly show them. Ooh, what is it? What? It's covered. Oh my God, it's covered. There is more secret to this one. Let me see. Slow. What? Oh my God, that's so nice. That's your birthday gift, Alicia. Happy birthday from your mommy. I love you so much. You want to try it? Try to make sure that it fits, darling. What? It fits! How does it feel? How does it feel? Tight?
No.
Nice. Well done. That's nice. You like it?
Yeah. Thank you, Mom.
You're welcome, my darling daughter. That's it, guys. Unboxing of Alicia Divine's birthday present. And she's got a Jordan Fly. Look at that. Awesome. Awesome. She loves it.